So we're at the Maricopa County Courthouse. My son didn't put him in the closet. And
it's coffin.
Put it in the coffin, put it in the closet, whatever.
Right.
Look who's here with me, guys.
Keisha, how am I stubborn?
Anyway, well, this is the kid. This is Rooster. Where is he?
How, Keisha? You don't do this on Clubhouse.
Put your face in there, boy.
Keisha, how?
Well, whatever the case. This is Rooster, the one that did the put it in the coffin, closet. I don't know, whatever he did. He did it.
Like, what do you mean?
And a lady
What have I done?
press charges and says that my son now owes her $3,000 because he
Okay, give me an example.
I guess he caused extensive damage doing put him in the closet. How much do you weigh, Rooster?
150.
Yeah. So he weighs about 138 pounds. I'll give him 142. I weigh 159. So no, he does not.
I do weigh 150.
Okay, whatever the case, 150. He did it. But this is what's comical to me. All right, so he comes to court today.
No, that's not good.
And a public defender, first of all, she comes in, or she comes out into the lobby. For those of you all know and have been there, you know how they do. They come, they call you, you go, and then she says, okay, my name is Ba, and I'm representing you, and I just need you and your parent. Now, mind you, it is 3 of us here with him. His sibling is 1, and both of his parents. Immediately, we all walk towards the door. She said, no, I just need your mom. And he says, they're both my mom. Okay, well, which one is your biological mom? I think Kai knows that she did not give birth to Rooster. Like, I think Rooster knows that Kai did. This was not your have a baby and pass it on to somebody in the family, because y'all know y'all be doing that. It wasn't the case. But if this is who works 55 plus hours a week, we'll pace the floor if you're not home. We'll go and fight the bears and the lions and the wolves and all in the world of jungle on your account. I think he has a right to designate her as mom outside of the fact that we are in a relationship. And we didn't just get in a relationship and start U-hauling yesterday and, oh, these are your kids and your kids are mine. No, I mean, there's been a lot that has been sold into this relationship, but whatever, yada, 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 ain't got nothing to do with that. But I do want y'all to know the hoe did get up under my skin with the biological. As a matter of fact, I think she got up under the boy's skin because nobody backed down to what she was saying. Okay, in Maricopa County in Phoenix, Arizona, the law is your child, which that's the law everywhere, your child is represented by the public defender for that crime. The parents, however, are not allowed to talk. They're not allowed to ask questions. As a matter of fact, they really push the issue for your child to only talk to the public defender on their own without parental advisory, without having parental presence, the whole 9. Now, I guess if we lived in a world where it's a known fact that public defenders really did defend their clients, I guess that would be okay. But being that we all in America who have experienced some portion of the judicial system in that capacity know that public defenders are far worse than the names that people call them, such as public pretenders. They are not here to work on your behalf. They are only here to assist their unit, which would be the prosecutors, the whole judicial system, in helping you to fail. I cannot stress to my babies. I have 3 of them in particularly that constantly has to have these conversations. These people are not here for you. You ain't got no money. Both of your mamas, whatever kind of biological daddy you have had, whatever, nobody got money to be paying a real live attorney, fam. Like, on my mama, we don't have it. So the lady comes in, and the very first thing she does is she begins to read off why this young man is here. You are being charged with destruction of property, blah, 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 something. And this is what they offer you. They're going to offer you, if you plead guilty today, you got to pay up to $3,000, which the tally of the bill came to $2,000, da, 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 da. Yeah. From put them in the coffin, casket, closet, whatever. Never once did she say, so what do you think? She instantly began to rattle off, if you plead guilty, this is what happens. If you plead not guilty, you will go to trial. I mean, she had 2 pages full of things that you are trying to pump into this 15-year-old kid's head, and then turned around and proposed a question, and what you gonna do? When he was kind of like, well, what's the famous words our kids say?
I don't know.
I don't know. All you got. Momo does. Soon as he said that, oh my gosh, she went to a whole nother dimension with this. It's now, are you in special ed? What do me not knowing what I'm gonna do at a spare of a moment, you offering me something like, do I got time to think? Do I have time to consult with my parents? Can everybody exit the room so that I can just be with me and baby Jesus? So that I can like regroup, recap, and just really process this? No, there was no time for that. It is, you're going to do this, that, and the third, or you could do this, that, and the fourth. What you going to do? I don't know. Are you in special ed? What was she trying to insinuate? Okay. So at this point, she felt that it was necessary to say that this young man should be assessed. She's going to petition the court that they postpone everything out for several months. And I do believe she used the number 6. What would happen at this time is he would go see 2 different doctors, or he would go to see a doctor on 2 different occasions, and they will run some type of, she didn't use the word psychiatric, but come on. No, I mean, everybody looking at my videos, some of y'all slow, but y'all ain't dumb. Real talk. So I'll interject, no, he ain't finna do that. Just proceed with what you got going on. Keisha's like, no, just be quiet. Hold up. Wait. I'm like, no, he's not doing that. Well, you don't have a choice. Are you serious? Come on now. So then at that point, she goes out and she comes back in. Remember in the beginning of the story, y'all, I told y'all, this is his public defender. She is, I guess she's a licensed public defender. Can anybody in YouTube world tell me, where does a public defender have the same authority as a psychological, psychiatry, psychologist? Where? This broad came in here and did a freaking assessment test on my son to deem whether or not if she was going to go in there and tell the court that, I think he needs help. So when I intervened again, I told him, and then he said, she asked him something else, and out of all the million things that she said on 2 pieces of paper, mind you, it's typed up so you know it's written really small, she asked another question, and his answer was, I don't remember. There you go, boy, you're dumb. You're special ed, you're dumb. You need psychiatric help. Let us get you in there. We're going to get you a pill, make some more money. Really? So we started carrying on about it. Then she goes out. I think she went out again. She went to go get somebody. She said she went to go get somebody so that they could come in and propose more questions in an assessment, so to speak, to deem whether or not if this gentleman needs some psychiatric help. My thing is, when you're a peace officer, a school teacher, social worker, public defender, pretender, there are a medical physician, there are so many positions that when you are in school to obtain your degree, you do learn how to assess without doing any form of technical assessing to make a determination on whether or not if you deem something should go to another level. I think she went, above and beyond her call of duty. And had we just sat back like most of you people do, and you people know who I'm talking to, the ones that go in there and say, you know what, I just want to get out of here. Whatever y'all say, I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna go with it, and you screw yourself up for the rest of your life. I guess she thought we were gonna do that. The poor kid would have. I think Kai's part of the Illuminati, y'all. Look. Kai, do you worship Baphomet? I think she does. But anywho, I don't know. That's what I'm on today. Like, I am so blowed down. I cannot wait to get home and upload this video. Like, yeah, kids are going to be kids. Kids are going to do what kids do. Yeah, punish them for when they're wrong. But you really going to charge me $3,000 for doing a... Really? You never once said, okay, Riley, well, this is what I see in the police report. The police report has several flaws in it. It does have the fact of finding that, yes, Riley is the one that got on the car. It does have the fact that the lady said it. It does have the police officer saying he was in the vicinity. He seen the boy sliding off the car. We don't know if they're saying he was on the front of the car, the side of the car. I do know that the 3,000 damages, it comes to the fender, the hood. Like, first of all, if you look on YouTube at these, put them in a coffin casket, what is it?
Put them in a coffin.
Yeah, look at those videos. Are people like running and slamming their body? No, they're not slamming their body. They selectively choose how they do it. But whatever the case, nah, bro, I'm 159 pounds, and y'all better not talk about me because I am working on it. But I'm not gonna damage your car by running, and I mean, you're just not going to full plunge your body. It just does. You mentally, you don't even think about it. It's a subconscious thing. You're not going to do it. Like, real talk. I don't know. I gotta go, you guys. Everybody in this room better deuce out to my YouTubers. Deuces. Hi, deuce. Deuces.